let us balance the redox half equation. What we do is to rewrite the equation first of all. So after writing the equation, we balance the atom stoichiometrically. 2 atoms of chromium at the right. We need to balance it at the left by writing 2 Cr3 plus 2 Cr2O7² After that, you assign oxidation number. Oxidation number of chromium here is the charge, which is +3. But chromium here is +6. How do we get +6? 2 chromium atoms, 7 oxygen atoms with net charge of 2-. The total charge of the two elements is -2 from the charge. Now, there are 2 chromium atoms plus oxygen is -2. That is the oxidation state of oxygen times 7 atoms equals -2. So 2 chromium atoms plus minus is -2 times 7 is 14 equals -2. So 2 chromium atoms will give us -2. -14 crosses over to become +14. So 2 chromium atoms will give us -2 plus 14 is +12. +12. So that 1 chromium atom will be +12 over 2, which is +6. So we assign 6 to chromium. We write +6 to chromium atom here. What is remaining is we go to redox number line. Oxidation state changed from +3 to +6. On the number line is 0, +1, +2, +3, +4, +5, +6. This is -1 and so on and so forth. So from +3 to +6 is 1, 2, 3 steps. So there are 3 electrons written at the right, meaning that chromium 3 ion lost 3 electrons. So these 3 electrons will be written at the right. We write 3 electrons for each chromium atom to the right. 2 Cr3 plus 2 Cr2O7² plus 3 electrons for each atom. There are 2 atoms involved. So we write 3 times C, 3 times 2, which is 6 electrons to the right. After this, we now balance oxygen. We balance oxygen by writing equal number of water to the left because 7 oxygen atoms are at the right. We write 7 water molecules. Balance oxygen by writing, there are 7 oxygen here, you write 7 water molecule to the left. So we write 2 Cr3 plus 7 water molecules to afford Cr2O7² plus 6 electrons. Oxygen is now balanced. The next is to balance hydrogen. In acidic medium, we balance hydrogen by writing H+. But in alkaline medium, which the question says alkaline medium, we balance hydrogen by first of all writing 7 times 2, 14 water to the opposite side, and also 14 OH minus to the opposite side where we wrote water. So let's go. Since there are 7 times 2, 14 hydrogen atoms here, we write 14 water to the right. 2 Cr3 plus 7H2O to afford Cr2O7² plus 6 electrons. Then we add 14 water molecules to the right. Now after this, we also add 14 OH minus to the left. So let's go. 2 Cr3 plus 7H2O plus 14 OH minus to afford Cr2O7² plus 6 electrons plus 14 H2O. Finally, we check for duplicate water molecule. There are 14 here and 7 here. We cancel out so that the water molecules at the left will disappear. The one at the right will remain 7. So we write 2 Cr3 plus 14 OH minus to afford Cr2O7² plus 6 electrons plus 7 water molecules. And that is the end of the equation, but we need to balance the charges to make sure we are at the right point. So how many charges here? 2 times 3 plus 6 here. 14 times 1 minus 14 here is -1 times 14 minus 14. We go to the right, we have -2 here, we have -6 here. So 6 minus 14 will give us -8, right? And -2 minus 6 will give us -8. So we have gotten -8 at the left and -8 at the right. This shows that the equation has been balanced.